Good morning. Hello, YouTube. This is to show y'all that I make my own shit. Right here, we see FL Studios. Let's go in there for a second. Okay, here we go. Let's see. The music. This is the music to a bird. What y'all saying that ain't mine? There's the whole file, all 40-something seconds of it. This is the part that y'all probably wondering about. I created that. And then y'all want to know about the damn about the video, about the actual video part of it. Here's Paintbrush. As you can see already right there, all of them are, but let's just show you. Look at here. Starting here, it's a bird. And then you follow the file all the way down. And you see that I created every single damn picture in that cartoon. Stop trying to say I stole stuff, because I did not steal it. I just proved myself. Thank you. Have a good day.